We're ready to shop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm styling and decorating and designing the first room in our new house. So it's a super personal video. I'm super excited. My friend Hope is in town. We're gonna go out shopping. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm buying, and then you'll see the whole process from floor to ceiling. And let's get on with the video.
Hi, I'm here with
Ya girl.
your girl Hope. Hope's here. She came in from Montana and she is helping me style, and we're doing a little shopping. Right now we're at Marshall's, HomeGoods, and then we're going to World Market and TJMaxx, and I thought I would take you guys around to just look at Hope in all her splendor.
Glory.
Oh, hey sir. Hi. Hi.
Hey girly.
So basically, I love shopping at TJMaxx, Marshall's, HomeGoods, etc. because they have this is not sponsored. I am a Maxxinista, have been one since I was 8 years old. Aren't you?
You should be sponsored by them. You honestly love it.
I do. Wait,
it.
isn't that the first thing when we met? Like, I saw your
Blazer.
I was walking into our apartment. I'm like, oh, I love your blazer. Where'd you get it from? TJMaxx?
I thought he was throwing so much shade.
I wasn't.
I was like,
Wasn't it from TJMaxx
it
though?
was though.
Yeah, and you were so mad at me that I
super
clocked you. So yeah, I love going there because honestly you get stuff for like 70%, I don't know, 50%, 70% off, like from normal stores, like big box stores. Anyways, it's great. They have new stuff every day. You just have to go early because all the soccer moms get there and snag
AKA you.
everything up. Yeah, aka me. But I wanted to show you guys who is a diehard Escape the Night fan, because I have a set piece.
They're his shopping gloves.
These are my shopping gloves. They help give me power when I need to pick out the right pillow, etc. So they'll be joining us on our trip.
You become a different person with this.
Person. I really do. I'm like, no. You're gonna give me this for 80% off. Thank you. All right, let's go shopping. Pass me my gloves. I need to choose some pillows.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, what we're looking for texture. We're looking for teals, greens, basically anything that will give the room that jungly nature.
Jungalini.
Jungalini Mortensen vibe. We're ready to shop. Ooh.
Textura.
Texture faux. This is faux fur. We're gonna get one of these because this is really pretty and it goes right into Christmas. Gorgeous. These are gorgeous for the couch. This is perfect because this is like tribal mix. It's a moment. Sale, $22. That's what I'm talking about. Sale, $20. Come here. Come here. See this? This is what I'm talking about. I wanted lanterns in the room. This is $18 on sale from summer. It was like $35 before. This is a must-have. And this one too, it's gorgeous. You're coming home with me, boys.
That's a lot of candles.
You can never have enough candles. I love candles in the room because it's really gonna warm up the space. DW Home is my favorite brand. They have a ton of selections in TJMaxx, Marshalls, and they're really great quality and you're not spending a ton of money on them. This is like
Not sponsored. He
not
really
sponsored.
likes them.
I truly love them. I picked up this rattan bamboo tray. It's really cute.
On sale.
On sale. It's $30 on sale. It's still a little pricey, but these are usually like $100. And then we got the lanterns, we got the candles. I got these things too, these little pillars that I can probably put next to the fireplace with big candles next to them. And if I don't use them, I can use them in another room. Oh yes, we're at my favorite dirty little secret, Cost Plus World Market.
World Marmot.
World Marmot. First of all, I need a burger. I'm starving. I'm about to snap. So World Market is amazing. They have literally everything they have is like influence from different places around the world, hence the name World Market. They have a bunch of food. You want to get a snack in here? From all over the world. Little mukbang action in World Market. We're gonna pick up some knickknacks, some paddywhacks, and some snacks. Yes. All right. First thing on my list, a panettone. $7.99 for a panettone. That bothers me. I love these, but no, we're not paying that.
Will you get me this?
Sure, a little sweetie for my sweetie. All right, let's get to business, sis. No more snack Tina. Okay, it's candle time. I love their candles, but they're actually grossly overpriced. Here's the tea. This little thing is tiny, and it's $30. That's insane. It smells gorgeous, but again, TJMaxx Marshalls, you get the most bang out of your buck for a candle. All right, so far I found a couple more pillows because we need more pillows. These are really great price for a little faux fur moment. And then I found this knitted, what do they call it? An amber basket, handcrafted basket for some throws. It adds texture. I just love the color, and I thought it's a little smoked out. I think this would be perfect in our corner to hold a bunch of pillows and blankets. Oh, we love a gold accent. I think this guy is calling my name for the mantelpiece. It's so cute. They have the cutest little knickknacks. Ooh, these globes. This would be so cute too. Love that. Hi, sissy. Eat your shake, sweetie.
So
Are you having the shakes? I need to put this stuff in the car now.
I hate this.
Oh,
wow!
wait.
SAT question. Do you think?
Oh, yeah. You know what? I can just drive home with this open. We'll see you at home, maybe.
So I'm finally back from shopping with Hope all day long. We got some amazing stuff, and I wanted to take you guys around the room and show you what my plans are. So the first thing I did in the room off camera was paint this fireplace mantle. I completely forgot to record it. But anyways, I wanted something to anchor the room because this was a lot of white in this woodwork. It's beautiful, and I love this color charcoal. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and it'll really bring in the tones of a lot of the furniture and a lot of the decor pieces that I'm gonna bring in later on. So if you guys remember, this credenza piece was in our last house. It was right when you open the front door, we put our keys on it. I was gonna sell it, but I actually like all the wood and earthy tones, and I think it'll tie into the travel, world-inspired room that I'm looking for. And it's gorgeous, and it's heavy as hell, so it's not going anywhere. So let's get started.
Okay, so now that you guys have seen the space in the living room, I wanted to show you guys my mood board. Basically what I'm going for, my inspiration is a lot of our travels, like where Joey and I have been, very nature inspired, very clean and bright. We just need a space where we can be creative together, where we can have meetings or just read a book if you want to snuggle up with a blanket. So let me show you my mood board that I created. I basically just searched on Pinterest and the internet, and I found like the dream of what I kind of want the room to look like, and I found a bunch of pieces that are very inspired by just like what I was feeling, just that green fantasy-esque, but also very just like clean and bright. So let's take a look. This is kind of the vibe. It's very like jungly, but also bright. I didn't want to go too green just because it is in the front room of our house. But as you can see, there's a lot of like rattan pieces here. A lot of texture. I love this velvet couch. I love these pillows. I love all the green plants. I want to do a lot of plants in that room. And then just keep it really light and bright with hints of green and teal and tans and gray. I love this gold mirror. We have this chair that Joey got. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in the space because I need 2 chairs. So I think I might find something else. I'm not sure, but so this is like the mood board, and then right now I'm going to show you guys like the actual stuff that I got.
So for the budget in the room, I do have a budget in mind. I didn't want to go too crazy and spend a ton of money. So really the things that we're investing in here are the couch, some art pieces, and some other random things. But for the most part, we're going to TJMaxx, we're going to Marshalls, we're going to World Market, and we're going to get stuff that can fit any budget and any price range. The rug that I chose, I was actually going to go with something else, but it was pretty expensive, and I just didn't feel comfortable with the dogs and the foot traffic in the house. So I went online and just typed in keywords like green patterned rug, and a bunch of options came up. You can do that too. It's a really easy way to find something cheap. It came in looking really gorgeous, really expensive, and it was just what I wanted. The couch was an investment piece. It was a little pricier, but it was something that we're gonna have for a really long time. I love the bluish green velvet. It's super comfortable and super soft. The coffee table is actually rattan, I don't know how to pronounce it. I love it. It brings a lot of texture into the room. It's very travel inspired, and so are the chairs. So for the chairs, I actually pulled off the original cushions that came with it, and I found these really cute faux sheepskin poofy, puffy pillows that look really great and add a ton of texture, and I love that whitish cream color. For the two sconces on the wall, we didn't have electricity on the wall, so I'm like, let me just find something that can be really candlelit, that can add dimension to the room, and I found these online and I added some battery operated candles, and it just really warms up the room and brings it together. I love it. Above the fireplace, I'm personally not the best at curating art, but I found these really beautiful maps of places that Joey and I have both traveled and that we love. There's one of Japan, there's one of London, there's one of our hometown in Boston. I got those framed for really cheap at a local framer, and they just look great as a centerpiece to the room. They anchor the room, and they just make you feel like you're in another world. For the photo gallery, I actually chose a bunch of pieces. I got a mirror, I found a piece at TJMaxx, and I made a crystal DIY 3-dimensional little art piece that I really, really love. And I also found some other pieces at the flea market that were like $3, and it just looks really great all put together, super antique-y, super nature-y, and I'm obsessed. So I did want a lot of greenery in the room, so I decided to go with real plants. I don't know exactly how long that they're gonna live for. I'm not sure, but fingers crossed. I'm a Tumblr queen, so I needed real plants in here. There are no fake bitches in here. So we just have the, actually there is one fake bitch, never mind. I see you, girl, I see you. I don't even have to look at you when I see you. Anyways, I love the plants. They really like bring a fresh feel to the room, and they look perfect. I have a problem. I have way too many throw pillows, and I'm obsessed with it. I put way too many in the room, and then Hope came in and helped take some out, declutter the moment. But I got a bunch of these at TJMaxx. They come in like a 2-pack. You can get them at Marshall's. They're super cheap, and nobody can beat that. I think they were like 20 bucks. So get more throw pillows! Alright, well that's about it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was my first style, decor, design, whatever you want to call it, video in this room. I think it showcases all of my talents, which are superior to most. Anyways, I'm super excited to enjoy this room with Joey and have friends over and meetings and whatnot. Leave a comment down below and let me know your favorite part in the room. What's your favorite design piece? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I've done this video actually 3 times because I lost the footage, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!